In this tutorial, I'll show you how to display news and economic events directly on your chart in TradingView so you can track market moving updates in real time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open TradingView and load any chart. Once you're inside the chart workspace, right-click anywhere on the chart and click on Settings. Inside the Settings window, look for the tab called Events. This section controls what types of events and news appear on your chart. Now, enable economic events by checking the box. This will allow TradingView to display important news like interest rate decisions, inflation data, and other key announcements directly on your chart. After that, click OK to apply the changes. You'll now start seeing small event icons appear along your chart timeline. When you hover over these icons, you can view details about the news event and understand how it impacted price movement. That's it. You've successfully added news to your TradingView chart, making your analysis more informed and context-driven. Subscribe for more TradingView tips and tutorials.